Following the huge success of the first Workplace Health and Safety show in Melbourne last May, work is well underway preparing for the 2019 event at the Sydney International Convention Centre. Hi, I'm Tim Webster and welcome. The show, which will be held on the 22nd and 23rd of May 2019, will again be an integral part of the Festival of Workplace Health and Safety in Australia. It's called #SafetyScape. It will also be the only trade show in Australia that has the full support of the Safety Institute of Australia, the official national voice of workplace health and safety. Demand is already high for exhibition space at the event, with companies keen to interact with visitors face to face, the most powerful way to do business in the Australian health and safety industry. Exhibition opportunities are available now by contacting the sales team at whssales@iecgroup.com.au or via all the W's, whsshow.com.au. I'm Tim Webster and thanks for watching.